Do you use sonic toothbrush? And if you do, let me tell you, all those sonic toothbrushes are great, but if you are actually doing them like a manual toothbrush, you would actually be hurting your teeth more rather than helping them. So we developed something called the GuruNanda pressure sensor sonic toothbrush. So let me explain you what is that. So when you press the button, you see that and when you brush with it, you remember this is an electric toothbrush. It is going to do most of the job. Let's say you actually exerted more pressure on your gums. You see that red button, red light come up? That's telling you, please don't. That's a siren telling you, please don't. You're hurting my gums. So let's stop it so that I can talk to you a little better. Why did we do it? Because most of the gum recession takes place because of brushing too hard. You might have gone to a dentist and the dentist said, oh, I see gum recession. There are several reasons. One of them could be maybe your night grinding. But another big reason is subconscious stress. A lot of us have subconscious stress. It's the parasympathetic system in play where we're angry because somebody showed us a middle finger. While driving, we come back. We don't know, but while we're brushing our teeth, all that parasympathetic system activation, that subconscious stress is actually going onto your toothbrush. If you're manually brushing it and if you're not brushing it correctly, you're actually overexerting pressure or you're doing it too fast and you're messing up your gums. And remember, enamel, once lost, is gone. And if your gums recede, you'll get sensitivity in your teeth, you'll get gum problems, you get bacterial overgrowth in areas which you shouldn't have been having. Everything starts to really become like a vicious cycle. So for that, a lot of people, dentists started recommending sonic toothbrushes, but then some of the people who were really used to that manual toothbrush started using it like that. No, this will do its job. All you need to do is put it right like that. How do you do it? You put it at a 45-degree angle between your gum and your enamel. So by doing that, you're actually literally cleaning between the gums. Any bacteria that is in your gums, it's getting clean. But don't scrub, just keep it there. This toothbrush is designed to do all the work. It actually vibrates over certain frequency, over 30,000+ times. There's sonic waves that actually take your saliva and they form pellets, little nano pellets that will go and rupture the biofilms that are constantly being formed by the bad bacteria or by the bacteria itself to kind of stay behind them, to remain in their safe havens. But by rupturing them, you're actually exposing them so that whatever doesn't serve you can be expelled out. So that is why these sonic toothbrushes have revolutionized the brushing game for a lot of people who are brushing wrong. Now, I personally do use a manual and a sonic both. I like the maneuverability of the toothbrush. I can reach the areas where I think I can't with the sonic. I also like to maneuver the toothbrush in the way and reach the nooks and crannies that are there that sometimes I feel are not getting tackled by the sonic toothbrush. Other times, I just want to clean them. I want to make sure my biofilms that are formed are totally gone. It's almost like getting a dentist clean. So mixing and matching is the ideal situation. Again, the pressure sensor is a game changer. That is actually ensuring that you are not harming your gums. And gum health is the foundation. A healthy gum is the foundation for brighter, stronger, better oral health, better teeth, stronger teeth, and an overall healthy body, because your mouth is the gateway for your entire body health. If you haven't bought it, it's the GuruNanda pressure sensor and it is available right now.